This festival is celebrated in the month of Kartik and is dedicated to the god of energy, the sun god. On this day, devotees thank Surya Devta for his protection, seek his blessing and pray for happiness and a robust life. Considered as a Mahaparva, Chhath Puja is not only about fasting, but also about preparing traditional feasts especially cooked during the grand festival. First is Thekua. Thekua is the most popular dish that is prepared during Chhath Puja. It is made using wheat flour, sugar, ghee and lots of dry fruits. Tight dough of all these ingredients is prepared and further shaped into small tikkis and then are deep fried in pure ghee. Second is Chawal ki kheer or Rasiya. Rasiya is essentially rice kheer. The only difference is that the sugar in Rasiya is replaced with jaggery or gur. Other ingredients include rice, milk and water. It is offered to Surya Devta on the second day of Chhath Puja and further served as prasad. It is generally served with whole wheat chapati or puri. Third is Kaddu ki sabzi. Any savory that is prepared during the festival is prepared using pure ghee. Kaddu ki sabzi is made in order to enjoy it with puris and other foods. Fourth is Kasar. Kasar is a popular sweet from Bihar and is majorly prepared during Chhath Puja. It is made of powdered rice, fennel seeds, jaggery and ghee. Kasar recipe can be prepared during winters too, as this dessert helps keep the body warm. Fifth is puris. Puris are an essential part of the Chhath Puja prasad and feast, made with wheat flour. It is deep fried in pure ghee and savored with various sabzis like bottle gourd sabzi, kaddu ki sabzi, et.al. Puris also make excellent accompaniment with Rasiya and green chana. Sixth is green chana. This simple Chhath Puja recipe is prepared after soaking green chana overnight. It is then sauteed in ghee, cumin seeds and green chilies and served with puris and Rasiya or rice ghee.